Happy Easter, you guys. It's Easter weekend. Today's Saturday, but we have a super duper fun thing planned. What are we doing today?
We're going to die Easter egg at Grandma's house, and we're going to Easter egg hunt at Olivia's house today, you guys. And tomorrow we're going to Grandma's for Easter, you guys. And we're going to go get Easter eggs in our backyard, you guys. And we're going around the neighborhood.
Yeah, we're doing a neighborhood Easter egg hunt.
Yeah, you guys,
right, Carson? Are you excited for your neighborhood Easter egg hunt? Yeah. What?
Guys, it's actually not Easter today.
No, it's Saturday.
It's actually tomorrow.
But we're doing a special neighborhood Easter egg hunt. Let's go show the friends what's in the back. Here.
It's not showing the name. No? Oh, yeah.
Look. Can you believe it?
Yeah.
Look at all the friends baskets we have. How many are there, Cooper?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12? Wow. Carter! Happy Easter! Let's see your bucket. Wow. Go, go, go! Get some Easter eggs! Woo! Good luck finding some.
Yeah, right?
Carter, get some Easter eggs, bud. Here. You got one? Chloe, you want to help him? Oh, good. I think he's getting it. Good job, buddy.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Good job. Do you have enough?
No.
Do you see any more eggs?
Yeah.
Hey, Cooper, how many you got? You found a shell.
I found a lot.
Wow. How many? Oh my goodness. That's a lot.
I feel like I'm...
You having a fun Easter? Yeah. Did you get lots of eggs? Did you get a lot of eggs, Olivia? Cody, look, there's an egg right there. That's a good one. And there's another one on that side, and right there. He's like, Carter, where are you going? Let's go get some Easter eggs. Hey, let's go get some Easter eggs. Right over there. Okay? Go. There's some behind the fence there.
I've been trying to get him from the sleeves.
Okay, the neighborhood Easter egg hunt was a huge success. I think we got lots of eggs. Let's see. What do you think, Cooper? Did you get lots of eggs? You got a Lego?
Yeah, let me put it somewhere.
Holy cow. Let's get those muddy shoes off this carpet that we just cleaned. Thank you. Thank you. Did you get any eggs, Carson? Wow. Did you get any eggs?
No.
Wow. They stole them all. Chloe, did you get any eggs?
Yes. Cousin, you were here down.
Happy Easter, guys.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, Cody.
Happy Easter.
What are you guys waiting for?
To go downstairs to open our gifts from the Easter
Why?
Bunny. Because it's Easter.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh. We're gonna go down there tonight.
No! To the back. From the Easter Bunny. Yeah.
Do you need help?
What do you guys think we found? Anything from the Easter Bunny? You get anything? Wow. How do you know that's yours? Is it? Yeah. Oh, fun.
But I don't need to look at my name.
Wow. Cute. You guys can open up your Mario Kart egg. What'd you get? Whoa. That's so cool. Super cute. Go hop like a bunny. What time is it, guys? What time?
To get some Easter eggs.
Oh my god, the bunny laid eggs out here again. Can you believe it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna get everyone ready and then we'll go, okay? They're so special. 5, 4, 3, go! Go! Go, 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 go! Go, Easter egg hunt! A popsicle?
Welcome on. Cupcake?
A cupcake?
Oh, cupcake.
Wow! Grab some eggs, Cody. Brr. It's cold out here. Good job, Cody. Did you get an egg? Keep going.
Keep going.
Watch your head when you stand up. Carter. Come get some eggs, Carter. You're cold. We'll come get some eggs. Really? You have 2 bars in your hand? Let's go get some eggs, Carter. Yay!
Egg.
Well, you're gonna have to put your, yeah, there you go. He can't pick up because he has bars.
2 bars.
Wait, what?
I have 2 cupcakes and 1 popsicle that equals food.
Wow.
Wow, guys.
Guys, where is our Easter weekend taking us now?
Jungle Playland. And it's a drive-by. And it's opening May 1st and
Look, so we're at a drive-by Corona-friendly Easter egg hunt,
and it's
right?
really instruction because it's just short. It like goes there and then you're all done.
So fun.
No, not so.
Okay, what do you guys think you're gonna get?
I don't know. Toys.
You think so?
Toys. And I might get a bicycle and a scooter and
A bicycle?
Yeah. And
Wow.
I think I'm gonna get electric. Chloe, I'm not happy. You lied.
Right?
Hey guys, so you guys, we went to a drive-by, you guys. So you guys, this is a boring drive-by. So you guys are going to Grandma's. So you guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I got this, but I don't know what's it called, but it's like squishy. And then I got a sucker. So you guys, I got Happy Easter.
You guys, did the Easter Bunny come here too?
Yeah.
No way.
I got football.
Oh,
Incredible.
happy Easter, Carson. In your boot?
I don't want that. I'm not having that.
Okay, go.
So guys, I'm having a waffle and sausage baked from the Alderwood Mall.
Is that a good Easter lunch? Can I eat it? Did you put powdered sugar on it too?
Yeah.
Wow, yum. That looks good. Chloe, what are you having? Hmm?
And potato salad, sausage, and beans. This egg.
Yum. What are you having for Easter lunch, Carson? A cinnamon roll and sausage? Tell everyone what game you stole yesterday. Crash 4, you did. How did you sneak that with no one noticing?
Hi, Coop. Dave, move down here a little little bit so we can get it. Yeah.
Nolan, do you want to stand with the kids?
Okay, who's ready? Okay, Cooper, you want to start a countdown from 5?
Okay, Camcorders.
Go! That was so fast. Good luck finding eggs, guys.
Good luck. There's probably any eggs.
I gotta find the egg.
Go, go, go.
Hey, let's get over.
Where's your big bucket?
But Nana said I can use this.
Oh, okay, you can only fit like 2 eggs in there. Do you see any eggs, Carson? Hey, bud. Are you gonna go find some eggs? No? Okay. Did you find any, Coop? Did you find any? Cody, go get some Easter eggs. Hey, Carter, that's a good Easter bucket. Put some eggs in your car. Here. Another Easter egg hunt. There's a lot of eggs here too.
So many eggs. And I said,
Cody, what are you having?
Oh, she goes, yeah, Chloe's not here.
A peepsicle?
But Olivia's helped me clean and organize.
That is so gross. A peep rainbow pop.
I'm like, she never came back. So I just...
Let's do it again. Bubbles. Bubbles.
You do bubbles, Carter? Don't dump them.
Don't dump it. Don't dump it.
What eggs?
Yeah, this is my kind of manicure.
Wow, I love it.
Well, you're gonna dump it.
Quick and easy.
And he'll be pissed. Now shake it.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shake. Bubbles. What'd you do to your nails?
These are stick nails, and I got frozen.
And you know what you do if you do them on the glass? It makes a funny sound. Like.
Really good for scratching people too. Well, because you're putting it on the wall. Go.
Go, Carter.
Yes.
All right, look at these 2 cuties. Say hi to everyone. Are you guys having a fun Easter? Yeah? Are you going fast? Say happy Easter, boys. You guys look like twins, don't you? Is Carter your twin? He's your twin. No. Okay, have fun, guys. Watch him. Be careful with him. All right, guys, we're home. We had a good Easter, and everyone wants to say goodbye now. So let's start with Cooper.
Home, you guys, and we got a new pool for our house, you guys. And tomorrow we might go to a play. We might go roller skating. You guys, and we might go to the Minecraft exhibit. No, we won't. Why?
All right, Cooper, anything else you want to say?
I'm spending the night at Grandma's house on Thursday and Friday, and I'll go to Chuck E. Cheese, and I might go to Wendy's and Target, you guys, and we'll go on a bike ride, and I might play Grand Theft Auto.
Okay, now Chloe's turn.
So you guys, okay, Colson, get down. I need to show them something. Okay, so you guys, I got new jeans, a sweatshirt, and a shirt. Okay.
Say bye.
Bye. I'll say bye. Bye. First,
Bye.
Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel, high five, knuckles, kiss, then I will see you guys on our next vlog.
Okay, we'll see you guys. Happy Easter.
Bye.
Bye.